Guys, our lunch for today is milk fish with lempo, and this one guys, super yummy, super yummy. Ayan, thank you bro, thank you sa sponsor ng ating lunch for today. Ayan, 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 happy Sunday, happy ano to, happy lunch, happy tummy.
Tummy day.
So let's eat. So this is how we eat the milk fish. Akala mo gaano magkain, yun lang pala eh. Magkinamay lang pala.
Tinanggalan niya ng ano eh, kunting ano, tawagan?
Buto? Yan, yan. Ang ganda naman tayo boses niya.
Hindi na ganun ka-powerful yung boses niya.
Thank you. Thank you. Hindi ka
Mm.